Recording.
Recording.
All right.
All right.
Man, let's get this stuff ready. We're gonna.
How do I know it's recording?
Because it shows it on the thing.
Oh.
We're gonna do some interior cleaning of the rice. There was stuff.
I sold it.
Man.
Excuse.
Okay. Let's see right here. This is how you know. See, it says recording.
Uno.
Should we use this one for the time lapse?
Dos.
Do this one for put time lapse on this one. I'll take that as a yes. Let's just make sure we don't forget this. Wait, no, wait.
To defeat the germs inside our interior.
Man, what are you gonna do first?
The germs inside our interior.
Hey.
How to clean here are the tools that you're gonna need to clean your interior. Cleaning solution and a towel. I think I'm gonna try to do a time lapse here, so cue the time lapse. Now let's just hope that does not fall. Spray the cleaner onto said towel. Clean appropriate surfaces with said cleaners. Note that certain solutions only work for certain surfaces. What is this, an infomercial?
I have the leather conditioner if you need it.
Yay! I'm so proud of you.
All right, let's do some of this. Get some of this on. This is the POV. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I know I gotta clean this. Also peep the boost gauge for when I'm running 20 PSI pounds of boost. Let's go back to this real quick. What did Patrick say? Brush, 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 brushing everywhere. That crust.
The steering wheel. No, I don't need a brush. Oh wow, it's not that dirty. The Guardian Design steering wheel. Move it up a little. Okay, now I need conditioner. And the parking brake is our... No! Bag down. Ah!
Now I should probably replace this sponge. Some of this overdue Alcantara cleaning done though. Look at that. You even see that? Oh, look at that sick shot though with the light. Insert JDM music. Check out the boost gauge. Maybe are you sure you don't want a boost gauge? See, because if you had a boost gauge, you can be like, oh, look at me cleaning this. Check out the boost gauge. All right, let's do the vacuum. ask the real questions. Are you sure you don't want a boost gauge? Hashtag boost gauge. All right, now let's use this stuff.
I like what you did with the place.
Thank you. I think my butt crack's going.
Don't worry, we'll edit it out.
Need a vacuum. Need the vacuum?
Yes. Second or passenger side. Floor mat cleaning. Caution, loud sounds. Complete. Work complete.
Work complete.
Cue the JDM shots, music, kind. Okay, cue the JDM music. $1,000 horsepower vacuum.
Look at that, the outside's still dirty, but that interior though. Unprofessionally cleaned. It's a time-lapse camera right there. Okay, I'm gonna put the stuff away. Gotta give him one of these.